Right, so we are going for a tour and everyone is here. We are going for a tour in Hangzhou, China. We're going to check out the famous West Lake, one of the biggest tourist attraction in Hangzhou. We will also have lunch in Shangri Hotel, a 5-star hotel in Hangzhou. And after that, we will go watch a famous cultural show. And they told us that it's a must-see show in a lifetime. So I hope that you're excited, because here we go. Alright, so I've been there back in 2010. So now it's 2024. Let's see what changed. So we are here now in the West Lake. It's one of the most famous tourist attractions here in Hangzhou. So we took a photo.
Oh, go.
Yeah. Right. Come. Take a photo of me. So this is where we took our photo, I think.
Ah, yes,
It is? Alright. And here we are. This is the lake. I've been here before and it's much more prettier now. I mean the trees are better. Yeah, look at this. It wasn't like this before, Kali. It wasn't like this before. Wow, this is way better. And there's the boat. I've been in that boat before. This is a bigger boat than the last time. What are you saying? Are they mad?
No. I say there's still Brazil behind.
Oh yeah, the Brazilians. Yeah.
Yeah, Brazilian.
So this is our boat right here. Right here, there's a bunch of snacks for the players. Oh, there's a bunch of snacks here. So just pick one if you want some. And we are going to check out. Oh, it's full back here. You got a nice place, man. It's a nice place. Oh, I'm just going to get some footage here. So yeah. What's that? Philippines? No, Philippines we don't have these trees.
But you have waterfalls.
We have waterfalls, yeah. We have a lot of waterfalls. But the trees here are beautiful, man. You guys gotta come to the Philippines. Where you guys from?
Egypt.
Egypt. I wanna go Egypt for the.
No, brother,
Of course, the
country
pyramid.
is the world. Best country is the world.
First country?
Yes, bro. We have pyramids. We have Laguna. We have the Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea.
Cheapest? 3BL.
The best team in the world.
Yeah. No, but you're going against us, so no. No, I'm kidding, guys. Have a good one. That is something new. I haven't seen that before. There's like a new tower right there. Let me zoom in. Let's see if I can zoom in. Hold on. I can't even, like, right there. There's a new one. I haven't seen that before. So I'm not sure if I missed that or I wasn't paying attention, but yeah, it wasn't here. That's a big boat right there. Oh, what's that? They get the dragon boat. How come they have a dragon boat? Look at that. Alright, so Kali is in a hurry. Bad.
Bad? Am I bad?
No, I'm kidding.
I know. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, not you.
Alright, so here we are. We are going to lunch. lunch and then the show. All right, I think it's better here. So we are going in the Shangri for our late lunch, and everyone is stuck right here. That is good. That is good. Alright, so into the show. I'm with Kali right now. There you go. Because my partner is right there. See that?
齐了 means all people here.
Oh. So we're here. This is like a castle or some kind. Tourist place. This is where we're going to watch the show. Look at this. Wow, that's like. Alright, the sign says that it's a must-see show in a lifetime. There you go. Above that. So we'll be the judge of that. A must-see show in a lifetime. Let's see. Easy. 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 Ah, no, bro. No. I gotta say, guys, the show was awesome. I love it. I really enjoyed every single second of it. I never thought that I'll be loving a show like this. I thought it was boring before, but now, man, I'm telling you, you need to stay for this. Oh, they're having fun? I don't know if you guys can see this one. Yeah, it's like an interactive show, and it's so freaking cool. That is nice. That was awesome, amazing show. That's in Hangzhou. I don't even know what's the name of this place, but that's in Hangzhou, China, and it was amazing. I love it. I mean, this guy loves it. He's beside me. Do you love it? Yeah. What's your favorite part? Tell me. The first one. The first one. Scene one. Yeah, the first one. How about you? One. Scene one. The dancing ladies?
Yeah. They're very good at dancing.
Yeah.
You know?
How? B-boy, what's your favorite part?
The middle part.
The middle part. Oh, middle part daw siya. Di raw dancing ladies, no?
The middle
The
part.
middle part. What's your favorite part?
The many girls.
The first. First. I guess they have more.
I think I want more.
Let's stay here, Kian.
Yeah, I don't want to go back to the Philippines.
Shout out to.
掌声送给我们漂亮的阿妹们。上演2个朋友可以学会我们的工装缓缓来，往内走，往内走，对。就是阿姨们都往内走，对。我教你几个动作很简单的。
All right, let's go. Your favorite part of the show? Yeah.
First one.
The first one. Yeah, let's go. Ano, what's your favorite part? Favorite part
Part
of the show?
I don't know.
The
like
one.
the mini girls so in front of us.
The first one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung light.
Yung green light, yung green
Hindi
light.
ako gusto ko yung medyo... Tsaka yung may lumipad na ano, medyo wet na.
Ayun.
Bakit? Ang lamig eh.
Favorite part of the show?
Pretty girls.
Yeah. First one? The first one?
Yes, because I'm in the first row, so I can closely see their body.
Yeah, that's what
It's sexy.
that's what Michael told me. All right, so we're here for the dinner. Hi. Hindi boxing yan. All right, so here's our gift from CFS. What do we have here? We got this. Of course, the jacket. Oh, the jacket's pretty cool. And this. I think this is the official mascot of CFS. Must be. And what is this? Like a mug? Not sure what is this, but yeah, we have our gift here. And this is another jacket right here. XO.
Really?
Oh, dami yan. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The bang is fucking good.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Man, that's a good Peking duck. Look at this, the duck's so good. Woo. Alright, so that's it for this video. And don't forget to like it. And of course, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you won't miss any uploads about our China trip. So thank you and see you next vlog. Bye. Oh my god, this ranking. How do you call that? How do you say that? Gumamay?
Yeah, dumamay.
Dumamay! Yeah!